Hi guys, this is Angel from PRGV Entertainment. Welcome back to another tutorial of the Unreal Engine 4. This tutorial is going to be about creating widgets and putting them into the scene. Now, I forgot to save this video before I deleted an entire folder of tutorials by mistake, and it was supposed to be uploaded first before the one that I just uploaded like an hour ago. So let's start in this one. So I'll have to do it once again. Now in this tutorial I will teach how you can create a widget, a simple widget. We're going to use our buttons that we used on our previous video for creating the main menu. There was the button play, option, and quit, and a simple text. So the next thing that we need to create is a blueprint that is going to be an actor. Now this actor is going to act like an item or any other object in the scene. Now this actor is going to tell which widget class it's going to be using. So let's start. Let's create a widget in user interface. Let's put a name, BR scene widget 1. I'm going to put that name. You can put something shorter. Okay, so I'm going to create something quick. I'm going to customize the width and the height here because it's too much. So I'm going to put 300 and 300. And now I'm going to add a text, and the text is going to say main menu, and that's it. Okay, so I'm going to centralize this, and I'm going to tell him that he's going to be right in the middle. Okay, so now let's add our 3 buttons that we used for the main menu. So here's going to be play. So I'm just going to add this one here on the normal button that we're going to have. I'm not going to add nothing for the hover and for the press button here. So the margin has to be 0. And now I'm just going to copy and paste each of these buttons here, so we don't have to insert all of them one by one. Copy, paste. Here's the first one. Okay. Okay, this is not going good. Paste. There we go. You cannot select the button while you are doing the paste, or it will just put it on top of the other one. I think I'll need to choose the height here. Put 350. There we go. Anchor. Thank you. Anchor on this one. Anchor on the other one, and anchor on the other one. So here I am not going to do nothing else. I'm just going to compile and close the window, and now I'm going to create a blueprint class that's going to be an actor. Now this one is going to be let's say maybe menu item. There we go. And from here we're going to add a component, and the component is going to be a widget. So I'm going to put here widget main menu. Well, let me just, if we create a default item for widget, let's just put class. So from here we know that we need to choose the class. In the class you will find it on the details property at your right, where you will choose your widget class and user interface. From here I'm going to search my menu that it was VR scene widget 1, and here I have it. Now I'm going to rotate this because let's look into the other side. There we go, and I think the scale is okay like this, so I'm just going to compile this and I'm going to put it on the menu here on the scene. Okay, so what I'm doing here right now is that I'm just inserting the actor on the scene. We do not have any functions to choose the play or the options or the quit that I didn't change here. Okay, so anyway, you guys know that you just need to go to the widget and choose each button and change the image on each one of them. Okay, so we do not have the functions right now set up on the system, on the project here, so we can choose if we're going to play, if we're going to the options, or if we are going to quit. Now this can be used for a simple game, but basically it's way much better for VR games, but you can use it on both, so it doesn't really matter. So now let's test it out. It's loading. Kind of slow. Something is wrong with my project because last time I don't remember what I did. I deleted something and it got messed up, and it's just too slow for testing the game in a standalone. So I had to create a new project. Basically, I will show it later on. Okay, so here's the menu. So here is your scene widget. Okay, so you can create different widgets and put it side by side. Maybe if you want to create a menu for videos and stuff like that, you can put like 3 or 5 different 3, 4, 5 different widgets with different menus and other options, depending on the idea of what you really want to do. Well guys, this is all for this simple tutorial. I had to make it up again because like I said, I deleted the file and was supposed to be uploaded before the last video that I created about importing a character and using the animation packs, so I had to do it again. Next tutorial is going to be on how to work with the animations, the state machines, the animation blueprints, the variables that we're going to be using, the anim graph. There will be a lot of interesting things on the next tutorial, and I say that it's interesting because we're going to create every animation from scratch, and not the animation, just the setup for making it work, for making your character move around, jump, crouch, do whatever he has to do on your game. We are still going to use the animation pack from the starter pack. The only thing is that we are not going to use the blend space that we have on that pack. The animation blueprint either is going to be used because we're going to create new ones, and I'll show you guys how we can set it up in the state machine step by step. Well guys, for tonight I think this should be all. Maybe there will be one more tutorial, but maybe I think for now it should be all. This is Angel from PRDV Entertainment. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with my latest tutorials for the Unreal Engine 4. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and comment if you have any question. Design, create, and make it look good. Always guys, always.